A structure is only as good as the foundation it's built on, and regardless of how well built a structure may be, the ground beneath it often settles. Erosion, shifting soil, compaction, and many other environmental conditions contribute to this problem. As a property owner, you have a critical choice to make: to repair or not to repair. That is the question. Neglecting a repair can have huge implications. Here are a few possible results of neglect: damage to your expensive structures, damage to vehicles driving on sunken slabs, trip hazards and resulting lawsuits, possible sinkhole dangers, limitless liability issues. Once you decide to repair a sunken slab, you have three options. Replace the slab. The process will take several days, is often messy, and is typically the most expensive option. Lift with cement grout. This procedure, known as mud jacking, requires heavy equipment, large drill holes, and the use of heavy cement grout, which may shrink and crack over time. Level the slab with AP Lift 430 polyurethane foam. This procedure uses light equipment and material, small drill holes, and makes less of a mess. The procedure is simple. 3/8-inch holes are drilled for injection, depending on port size. High-strength polyurethane foam is injected underneath the slab. As the foam expands, the slab is lifted back into place. This is actual time-lapse video footage of a slab being lifted with polyurethane foam. Finished work is then performed with silicone sealants. The drill holes are patched, cracks and joints are sealed, and the surface of the slab is restored to optimal condition. Crews are careful to thoroughly clean up job sites before departing. The entire repair process can sometimes be done in just a few hours, depending on the condition and size of the slab. Leveled concrete is typically ready for use 45 minutes after the repair is completed.